How to remove channels from WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove channels from WhatsApp. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the updates icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the update section here, if you scroll down there, you'll see all the suggested channels from WhatsApp. So here, if you want to remove channels from the suggestion section, you can just swipe a long press on it, or you can just tap on the X icon just beside that channel name to remove it from the suggestion section. And here with that, if you want to remove the channels that you follow, then here you can just go to the chat section, and from there you can simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on that particular channel name. And now from there you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside that channel and tap on that, the drop down menu will appear. In that menu, you can just select more, and from there you can just tap on exit group. Now here, once you have exit group, you'll be removed from the channels, and once you're removed from the channels, you can simply delete that particular channel, and by doing that, you'll be able to remove channels from WhatsApp. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.